Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make double electric switch connection wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP-MCB circuit breaker, light, fan, switch, front and back side, neutral connection input to DP-MCB, phase connection input to DP-MCB, neutral connection from DP-MCB to connect light and fan, phase connection from DP-MCB to connect switch, phase connection from switch to connect light, another phase connection from another switch to connect fan, earthing connection input to fan. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.